Guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I will be showing you how to get the remote details of the Git very easily. So let me show you. I have a repository in the GitHub. This is test repository, okay, but this have some of the URLs, like you can see this is the URL to connect with the remote, okay. So how I can get this all the details from the means from the file directly. So you can see I have opened my code in the VS Code, okay. So here it is already connected with the GitHub repository. So how I'll get the URLs from here? To get the URL, you need to write git remote get URL origin. Then you can see it will give you that URL to which URL it is connected and pushing all those means code, okay, when you are changing. Then the next thing is to get all the remote details. You can write git remote show origin to check all the origin details, like it will fetch from which repository, it will push to which repository, the head branch is which one, that is master, the remote branch is which one, that is master. It is showing all the details. If you need to check the version of the remote, you can write git remote -v. So it will show you there are two versions, that is one is for fetching, one is for pushing, okay. So that all contains the same repository name. And for adding the remote and for deleting the remotes, it's very easy, like git remote r then origin, then you need to give the URL. And to remove it, very simple, git remote remove origin, that's it. These are the two things you need to do for removing or adding a remote. If this video is interesting, then please subscribe the channel, like the video and share with your friends. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.